Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you're watching the phone talk through Bluetooth. If they stop talking, we should basically go and check our permissions. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go actually through how to manage Bluetooth permissions in Garmin Connect app in 2026. Whether you are using the Android version or the iPhone version, it's basically the same. So let's get started fast and easy as usual. So first and first, we're gonna go and open this Garmin Connect app, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and all of this. Go and use your email address and password to actually access this dashboard. It's time now to open and tap on more or this three-dot menu, go all the way and tap on settings. Now we're gonna pick phone permissions. So as you see guys, we are on phone permissions. You should look for any options including Bluetooth or just nearby devices. It's basically the same option. On iOS, you may see it listed as Tap Manage Permissions to open the phone settings. So, on your phone also, you should go through the settings, Garmin Connect, Bluetooth, then toggle on. On Android, settings, apps, Garmin Connect, permissions, nearby devices, or location for any older Android types, then Bluetooth is often grouped here. So for example, I'm gonna tap on nearby devices, manage permissions, I'm gonna go permissions, then go all the way and select the nearby devices option and turn it on. So this simple test is basically just a quick test to see if it's fully working. Toggle your phone's Bluetooth off and on. If your watch reconnects and syncs, permissions are fully fine. If not, you should go and check these menus. Since Bluetooth is the lifeline, keep it fully open. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.